Hey everybody, day number 4 today. Hey, it's up there. So yeah, learning things still, but we're getting it more together. That's another thing we're improving on. Even though I just thought about it yesterday, don't really, wasn't my goal to get better making videos, but I'm doing it anyways. Cause making videos is hello, do it. Hmm. Wish I had a piece of paper there. Getting better at making videos. I'm learning things about edit. I think I might already said that, but I do not remember. Sun's going down. Hopefully this looks alright. It looks okay on my whole cellular phone. Technology. Ooh, somebody's cutting stuff. Man. Oh, beautiful day. Great day to be alive. Finished a picture today. It's pretty sweet. Do some with some of my art. Oh, lady. Hear that bird? Somewhere up there. He's in the tree. That way. And that way. Diagonal back from me. There's a large, rather sizable bush there. Yep. Yeah. For a second I thought I was somebody pounding with a nail. Not tired from sword practice. Very nice. Yeah. I got my katana out here today. Let's go snag that thing. It's cold steel. Cold steel. See. The lighting ain't getting any better here. Oh, hey, that's a little. Yeah, the cold steel katana. Dude, it's a fun sword to have. That's a really garbo katana, but hey, I don't want to buy a nice one. I don't even want to hit things with this one anyways. Maybe I'll buy a nice one to have a tad more money. But it's a preference of mine that I like my swords double-edged. Indeed, I'm trying to spot the bird with my selfie cam behind me. I don't know. Well, I don't even know if this is a podcast. It's a thing. I should stop calling it a podcast, vlog. It's a thing that I'm doing. If you want to get better at something, do it every day. Yeah, that's it. Find what you want to do all the time. Like you're a crazy person. Because then you get crazy good. That's just how it's done. I just turn around, lighting issues. Lighting issues. It's good to have that because I'd be wandering around like, hey, yeah. I was trying to screw that up and it didn't work out. Maybe I should go find my glasses. Nah, not yet. There's another bird right here somewhere. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Here comes a family of screaming kids. See you later.